Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Market Insider Market Minute. It is Friday, January the 3rd. Thanks for joining us this morning. Brian Hoops here with Midwest Market Solutions. We're seeing some big losses in most of the grain and livestock markets this morning. Crude oil sharply higher with the political tensions driving that market higher, while the stock market is under some pressure in here. Let's look at the grains and the livestock news this morning. No private export sale once again. We're seeing some weakness specifically in the soybean market here this morning. Last sell stops being triggered in those soybeans. So we're seeing some double-digit losses in early trade. Soybean sales this morning were a marketing year low, so certainly a disappointing number for soybeans. Corn sales an 8-week low. Wheat sales at a 4-week low. Of course, this is a holiday export sales numbers, but it was far less than what the trade had been expecting. Weather in South America continues to look pretty decent. We are 3 to 4 weeks away from growing a record crop in Brazil, possibly in Argentina. They don't have quite as good a weather, but this is going to set the stage for real interesting dichotomy here in the United States, where we have this Chinese trade agreement and producers thinking we're going to have a big rally in prices because of stronger demand, but we also have South American supplies that are becoming available. They're going to be much cheaper than our U.S. prices here in the next 3 to 4 weeks, and that's going to keep a lid on our export availability at least into probably the summer time frame. We're also going to plant a lot more acres for corn and soybeans, so our balance sheets are not going to look all that bullish until we get a weather threat. As far as the export sales for pork and beef here, kind of a disappointing number for beef. That's set us lower prices this morning, but the pork numbers were just a disaster here. China noted that they had a reduction of about 13 million metric tons of pork sales for 2019 last week alone. Now they're going to rebook those into 2020 without the tariffs, but it has sent hog futures limit down this morning. Cattle, we are starting to see the market rebound off of our lows. The bids that were 195 to 196 yesterday are now 198, and we're hearing 124 bid in Texas, 124 trade in Kansas. Have a great day. This has been Brian Hoops.